Hello and welcome. End of July we traveled to north of Japan, and if you have seen my last video about Oga Peninsula, we are traveling now from Oga Peninsula up to the north. This is a roadside station, or Michino Eki, Hachimori Otonomitsu, and it's still in Akita Prefecture. This is another stop, an outlook, and there is a squid restaurant. We are in Aomori, or better, I'm now at home. But in this video, we had to stop over at Aoike Pond. This is such a cool area, and if you're into hiking, I highly recommend you to go hiking in this area. But keep in mind, there are bears, and certain seasons the bears are very hungry. They have to go in hibernation. We have a stopover at Juniko. The name means 12 lakes. And at Juniko you have actually not 12 lakes, you have 33 lakes. But if you go up to the peak of Mount, I forgot the name, I put it here. There you can see only 12 lakes, and therefore this area calls 12 lakes. Here is a website where you can basically get in contact with local guides. It doesn't cost that much. It's all in Japanese. Okay, it's 5 o'clock here. On Google you can translate it to English, so this shouldn't be a big problem. Aoike means Ao is blue and Ike means pond. As you can see on this picture, super blue, very mystical. Even the lake before, it's so milky green. Very, mystical. That's my description. We are
and
here,
we go here
and we go there. Okay.
and come back.
And come back. Are there bears and monkeys?
There must be bears and monkeys.
Ta-da. What is swimming there?
Duck.
And then we are going up to the golden onsen. Yes. Why? Because the water look like gold. Just another word for muddy water. No, I don't know. And there you have a mixed onsen. But wait for it. Thank you for watching, and I see you next Thursday with a new video about the Furufushi Onsen in Aomori. Somebody here. Wait a minute. Lara. Hello. She is 14 years old, or 98 years in human years. She has gray hair here, the eyebrow. The eyebrows are gray, very stylish. Oh. Go get the bone from Charlie.